This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the Google Pay gift card balance and copying the claim code. This prevents delays. Once done, sign into your Amazon account and open the gift cards page so you can redeem or reload. Make sure you have an alternate payment ready, because Amazon sometimes requires a secondary method for partial payments. You do this now to avoid interruptions. Get the code, the account, and the backup payment in front of you before moving to redemption. You navigate to your account, then gift cards, and choose Redeem a gift card. This is where Amazon accepts codes. Next, carefully enter the Google Pay claim code exactly as shown, then click Apply to Balance so the funds are added to your Amazon account. If Amazon rejects the code, try removing spaces, using a different browser, or retyping slowly. This often fixes formatting issues. Make sure to watch the balance update. That confirms the funds are ready for checkout. You now shop and proceed to checkout, selecting your Amazon gift card balance as the payment method when prompted. This uses the redeemed Google Pay funds. If the balance doesn't cover the full order, make sure to choose your backup payment to cover the remainder, then place the order. If you encounter errors, capture screenshots of the Google Pay code, Amazon error messages, and your balance. Contact support at Google Pay and Amazon with those images. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.